One last way that you can make a hyperlink is by using an image instead of text. So to do that, you can do an image search for the picture that you want to use. In this case, I'm going to do an image search for IXL math logo. Once you find the logo that you're looking for, you just want to open that logo so the picture fully loads so you can see what it's going to look like. You can right click and copy the image, then go to the place where you want to have your hyperlink. In this case, it's the Content SOL review links. I'm going to right click again and select paste, or you can use Control V, and the image goes in there. And then all you have to do is highlight the image just like you would with text and insert a link. So you click on your chain link again, and you can either paste your link in there or you can type it in if you know it, and then you can hit apply, and it'll work just like a text hyperlink, but it'll look a little bit nicer if you want to have that for the students. Good luck.